Hi, this is Dana from Amoracast, and I'm here to talk about the Orion Micro Welder that I had bought earlier this year, and I was really happy with it. And I was making all sorts of funky designs. The only thing is, which I discovered later on, was without having to use solder, it's supposed to be a stronger bond, it would sometimes snap off because it didn't bond molecularly with the entire thing that you would use with a flame. But I'm still in love with my micro welder because it allows me to easily solder things in seconds and keep it in position. And I've had to thereafter gone back to my flame. I use my third hand, the flux, the solder, and my solder picks. And then it doesn't take very long for me to do it. I coat everything, and then I put in the pickle, and there you have, after it's been buffed, it's still great.